Assalamu alaikum students. This is the practical lab 14 of your manufacturing processes workbook, where we will learn about the gas tungsten arc welding. Formerly, this welding also called the TIG welding, tungsten inert gas welding. The filler material is supplied as a filler wire in this welding process, because this process also called a non-consumable electrode welding. And the electrode is made up of tungsten. Tungsten has high melting point, and tungsten is not consumed in this operation. And in this operation, constant stable gap is maintained. R gap is maintained at a constant current level. The filler metals are similar to the metals to be welded or workpieces to be melted. One more thing, in this welding process, no flux is used. The shielding gas, which is used to prevent the workpieces or the molten base metal from the environment. So we will use the shielding gas, and shielding gas is normally argon gas. We can use the helium gas, but in NAD fabrication lab we use the argon gas to perform this welding process. One more thing, we perform this welding process by using the AC alternating current equipment instead of the DC current. As you know, the alternating current equipment requires a less maintenance compared to the DC current. And in performing the tungsten arc welding, if you perform the tungsten gas arc welding with the help of the DC current, you should use the straight polarity in performing the welding by using the DC current. So you will get the better idea if we move forward in this video, and you will see how the tungsten arc welding actually performed. This is the torch, TIG welding torch, aluminum workpieces, helmet to protect your eyes, the ground, zero voltage, and the stainless steel workpieces with stainless steel filler material. We use the alternating equipment for performing the TIG welding. By using this equipment, we can perform the sheet metal arc welding and the gas tungsten arc welding. In this machine, we have a three knobs: current knob, control, arc balance control, and the post flow. By using the current knob, we can adjust the current up to 200 amperes. In this welding, we will weld the aluminum, so the current should be 121 ampere. Current depends upon the material type and the material thickness. If we have a thick part, we have to increase the current. By using the arc balance control, we can improvise the arc penetration into the workpiece. If we have a thick material, we have to increase the arc balance to increase the penetration of arc into the workpiece. For the post flow, we can adjust the gas flow over the workpiece from this machine. We have a argon cylinder in which is in green colors you see in this video. Argon is used for a shielding gas, as a shielding gas to protect the workpiece from the environment. Green is the argon gas cylinder. The TIG welding is being performed with the aluminum workpieces that are going to be welded and form a butt joint. The filler material is also made up of the aluminum. You can see the arc over the surface of the workpieces that is used to melt the base metal and workpieces. We are performing this TIG welding by using the alternating current. You can use the DC current with a straight polarity to perform the TIG welding, because due to straight polarity, electron will flow in the opposite direction from base metal to the electrode, and due to the movement of electron, shielding gas coming from the torch will ionize and protect the workpieces from the formation of the oxides. And you don't need to use the flux of further protection of workpieces. You can see the final butt joint